Hey there, welcome to another video. Today is a little bit of a shorter video, I think, probably because I just didn't have really I just didn't really have the time to record a video today, so this is yeah, kind of the reason why I'm doing a little bit of a shorter video today. But today is also a little bit of an important subject because I got kind of a little history in programming. So yeah, I just recently redid nevillebrem.com. It now looks a bit different than... So yeah, this is my old nevillebrem.com. It's a good old React website with some neat little animations and stuff. But I wanted to kind of move away from React completely. This is why I kind of redid my entire webpage. nevillebrem.com is now completely new. And we got some little about section right here. And if we go down, we got this timeline part right here. Let me zoom into that a little bit. So yeah, what we have here is my little kind of timeline. In early 2022, I learned HTML and CSS in school. This was my first contact with web development and would change my life for the better, because if I didn't discover web development, I wouldn't be here, obviously. So in July 2022, I created my first repository. If I go to my GitHub, I think that would be there about here. Yeah, somewhere around here. I started my first few repositories. Started my first few repositories. And then I built my portfolio, which is that one. And then, yeah, I also built Wolf's Bricks, or Wolf's Bricks is now called. Of course, the old website is a bit different than now, which is basically, it began as a static HTML page, and I would like have a .html file for every single route, and it would be, of course, inefficient. I then went to summer 2023, because as you can see, summer 2022, and then summer 2023 is like a very big break. And if we actually go through this, so we got here summer 2022. I coded here and there a little bit, and in 2023, I rarely even coded till like May. That's when I started to code again, and I built my favorite landing page, Barmaids. And then in fall 2023, I discovered SvelteKit, built some applications with it, and this is where I am now in early 2024, where I'm building my full stack applications. So yeah, how did I become such a good developer? Because let me tell you, I didn't solve any how's it called, lead code problems, or like I hardly like solved any of these problems in my life. All I did was coding, like the pure coding. I only did coding in my life. And I think there's a few people who say, yeah, you gotta solve these lead code problems. But I think consistency in programming is much more important. Let me quickly reset that. This is my contribution history of the last 365 days. And as you can see, there's a few holes. This is where I built Barmaids and did some other cool stuff in React. This is where I barely did anything. Like, what did I do then? Like, I probably changed some readmes or something like that. I don't know. But yeah, this is where we are now. Like roughly 1.5 months, I think about here, I discovered SvelteKit. Yeah, here I discovered SvelteKit. And yeah, what I did here was I began coding consistently. Like, you can kind of see all these green dots. Let me zoom into that. All these green dots. This is where I coded. The gray ones are where I didn't code at all. And it's just kind of the consistency that made me build blog.nevillebrem.com, that made me build wolfbricks.store, that made me build nevillebrem.com, like the new one. It's just kind of, yeah, the thing. I was consistent, and so I could build all of that stuff. As a kind of little quick note, I wanted to say that I also play the piano. That's not like to brag or something like that. But playing the piano, I also just realized I kind of get better when exercising consistently, and the same applies for coding. And be the very, I would entitle myself as good developer myself. Um, yeah, and speaking of blog, I know I kind of said that I will be doing something in the blog, but this video will probably be uploaded on the Wednesday because, yeah, like I said, I just didn't have the time to do it today or to upload it today. So, yeah, that is that. So, if we kind of sum this up, the key to being a good developer, or yeah, I would say good developer, is just consistency. And kind of GitHub is, in my opinion, a very nice tool to track your progress and to kind of make sure you are on track with your GitHub contributions and your coding journey. And yeah, this is what I just would say about just go ahead and code. And yeah, kind of also rebuild old projects or take inspiration from some others. So that's basically what I did. So yeah, that is basically it. So I hope you liked that video. If so, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell so you don't miss out any future videos. And yeah, we'll see us on Wednesday. Have a nice one.